Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Hazel from Handcrafted Expressions. Today, as a design team member for the Robin Nest Creative, I will be designing this lovely frame. Since Valentine is nearby, you can gift this lovely frame to your Valentines. Let's begin. So here, I will be using the lovely dewdrops, that is from the Robin Nest Creative website. As you can see the lovely shades here, and I have taken these lovely cutouts of flowers and leaves, some satin leaves, a few butterflies to go with the frame. So let's begin. I also have a sentiment here which says every moment matters. So here I have taken this white frame which is 4 by 6 inches, and I will design the outside of the frame. So here you can place these lovely flowers as you require, and I will be using the glue gun to stick this. Can just pull in this way, place it how you like it, and then you can use the glue gun to stick it up. So here I have placed this in this way, as you can see, and now I'll use a glue gun to get it stuck. So here I'm taking my glue gun. I've already put some foam tape behind, but you can just use a glue gun to keep it more firm. Frame. Here we are done with this lovely photo frame, and you can place your loved one's photos into it and gift it on Valentine. Do visit the Robin Nest Creative website for the lovely dewdrops. Bye. See you next time.